All right, y'all. I have a few things to say, so we just gonna get straight into this video. Hey y'all, so I am bringing you guys the Brown Sugar Box by Izzy and Liv. If you're not familiar with Izzy and Liv, this is a subscription box. You get items that's curated by them. Most of the products come from their line, Izzy and Liv. The box is $39.95 a month plus shipping and handling, so it usually come up to about $44.95 or something like that a month. And we just gonna get into it real quick because, like I said, I do have a lot to say. So this is what the inside of the box. Uh-oh, we losing stuff. So this is what the inside of the box is looking like. You get this monthly little small publication. It's like a little magazine, but it also shares what you're getting in the box. So let's see what I am getting. It should be in here. Let me find it so I can have a guide to know. Okay, so it looks like this box is all about fitness, which is cool. Beginning of the year, people setting their goals, their fitness goals. I have a few fitness goals of my own. So yeah, so first things first, with the Izzy and Liv box, you do get a t-shirt, sweatshirt, or something like that every month. So this is the shirt this month. Says can't stop, won't stop. That's a cute color shirt. I think I got some sneakers to go with this, but it says can't stop, won't stop. And this tank is $22. Cute for the gym. Nice and lightweight. I like the dolphin tail hem. The roundness on the end. So that's cute. Next we have a gym towel. Something I don't have. And the gym towel is $15. This is the design that I got. It did come with different prints. This is the print that I received. Cute. No, look. Situation. So that's cute. That's cute. Okay. Now we have stretched out crop leggings. These are coming in at $30. What size did they give me? A medium large. We're gonna see what the Lord says about these, but it looks like they got a little stretch to them. So we will see. But this is what those are looking like. I'm trying to see if they like see-through, kind of a little bit. These might not be, these might be like for my morning yogas. That I'd rather do that, feel comfortable, because I'm gonna stretch them to the limit when I put them on. But it's cute. It's got a little pocket on it on the side, which is good. You can throw your phone and your keys in it when it's in the gym. But like I said, I do feel like they are a little bit see-through. That is that. Next, we have wireless earbuds. These are $30. And this is that. Okay, I have AirPods, but you know, I guess there ain't nothing. I have an extra pair. And then we have these fitness is not a game exercising playing cards. And these are $15. And they basically are playing cards, but they have exercises that you can do on them. $15. Okay. And then last but certainly not least is the Relax, Relate, Hydrate glass water bottle. This is $30 and it's saying do not microwave, not dishwasher safe, hand wash only, do not clean with bleach or other harsh chemicals, dispose immediately if your bottle breaks or cracks. And let's see which one I have. Look like I have the one that matches. Yeah. And this is the water bottle. It's cute. The fact that it's glass, and I like the wood and the handle. I don't know if I would actually take this to the gym though, because it's glass. Like I just feel like that's just a tragedy waiting to happen. But this will be a cute little something if you out and you want to put you something else in here other than water and be cute. You have, you know, a cute little bottle for that. So that is everything that I received. It is saying that this box value is $142. Okay. All right. Let me just say what I gotta say. And we just gonna, so I can go and get y'all about y'all way. All right. First things first. I initially subscribed to Izzy and Liv because I canceled my Cocotique, but I still wanted a Black-owned subscription service, and I've subscribed to Izzy and Liv before, and so I like the fact that they give you like a cute t-shirt every month, and so that was like one of my reasons. And you get cute little things that you might not, and African print or things that celebrates Black women. You get things like for around your house to decorate with, or little accessories and stuff like that. So I thought it would be cool. I canceled my Izzy and Liv subscription box. I've also canceled my BoxyCharm subscription box. I will no longer be receiving any more subscription boxes, which means you will not be seeing any more subscription boxes on my channel. The reason that I did it is because, one, I'm kind of getting over the subscription boxes. While they're great, I'm just over it. Like, no shade to Izzy and Liv. They just came to the party, and you know, they getting the remnants of it. But I will say that I was disappointed in the shipping process. So they charge your card on the 1st. They're supposed to ship on the 15th. I did not get anything about my shipping until the beginning of this week. And I'm just getting my items at the end of the month, basically. So that had me kind of like, okay, with Izzy and Liv. But that's not the reason that I unsubscribed to their box. The reason that I did with them, BoxyCharm, and with my subscription boxes, is because I feel like I'm getting a lot of products and a lot of stuff. And oftentimes I use some of it, a lot of it I don't. And there will be a product that's coming out or a brand that's coming out that I want to try, but I feel like, well, I've already spent money on products that I know that's coming through my subscription box. Why go out and spend more money? And so I finally decided to let the subscription box go, and I can use that money that I was spending on subscription boxes toward actually going out and buying products that I really want to try. So moving forward, this is the last subscription box video that you will see. What's going to happen is I will still be doing product reviews on my channel from like my hair, skincare, and things like that. I will still be giving you those. I'm going to start adding more fashion videos, and my focus is going to be really encouraging people to shop in their closet, to see what they have in their closet. I feel like a lot of times when we have an event or we want to go somewhere or do something, the first thing that we do is go out and buy something, and we have clothes in our closet that we aren't wearing, we haven't worn in a while, we've only worn once. So I really want to encourage people to really start going and shopping in their closet. So we're going to have more fashion videos. Still doing my hair videos. There will still be products and product reviews on my channel, and I'll probably do a little bit more beauty as far as like makeup videos and things of that nature. So that's it. This is it. There will be no more subscription boxes for a minute for me. If you want to see subscription boxes, I highly recommend you checking out Curltalkhonestea. She gives you subscription boxes. I will link her channel in my description. And that's it. So if you are looking forward to what I have to show you, if you're into fashion, if you want to see me go through the process of my natural hair and trying natural hair products, if you want to see me give you simple, doable makeup looks, then go ahead and hit the subscribe buttons, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.